guy's heart, you need to be a spy. The goal is to become the target's girlfriend, and not to stay invisible to him. It's time to start our class.
Hey!
Oh no! This is the most boring topic ever. Why not chat with a friend? Hey, Kim!
Hey.
I have something to tell you. Some friend you are? How can you talk in class? Except if you'll be taking notes. It's been a long time since Kim had a question. What will her friend answer? What? No, Kim! How could you think that? It's nothing like that. Kim, here's the note. Oops! It looks like the correspondence isn't about girls. So, what do we have here? Notes? Very interesting. That's weird. There's nothing here. All right then. Wow! The friends have a way to communicate in secret. An invisible marker? Oh, cool! But UV light works wonders. Do you like Adam? No. Okay, if you say so. You can't read their secret letters without a UV light. So, the girls' secrets are safe. An algebra exam! That's serious! Well, students, let's check your knowledge. Oh no! This is the end! I can't solve it! Kim, what do we do? Julia, I have a great plan! Wow! This will definitely work! You're a genius! Excuse me, can I ask you a question? Well, let's see what you have. Hey Adam, tune into Kim's live stream as soon as possible. There's a surprise waiting for you. Oh, great! Thanks! Well, it's easy, Kim. Look, I'm going to explain everything. Yes, of course. I'm listening to you. Bravo, Kim! A hidden camera is a great spy device. Hey, hurry up and copy it down. You're running out of time. Do you understand, Kim? Oh, yes, I do! The whole class is saved! It's great to have a spy friend! That's good! Get back to work! You did it! Write faster, before the professor notices anything! Julia has butterflies in her tummy. Who's that? Oh, isn't it obvious? That's Adam! Good choice! Look how handsome he is! Everything about him is beautiful! His lips, his eyes, and even his chin! Oh, look who it is! You have to get his attention! Is this some kind of romantic ritual? Come on! This is just physics! Here, take the magnet! A magnet? Are you serious? Of course! With all his chains, Adam doesn't stand a chance! Come on, Jules! He is definitely not going anywhere now! Point the magnet at the target and watch what happens! Look! It works! Hey! What's going on? What are you doing? Oh, hey! It's been a while! How are you? Although the magnet has a little side effect. It attracts guys with braces, too! Oh no! Not Ewald! Hello, beautiful!
Hey!
I see you want to get to know me better? It's time for a snack! So many delicious things! Kim, want a cake? Why don't we sit here?
Hey.
Look, it's Adam! Let's go see what he's doing! Of course! Let's go! I wonder who he's talking to. Oops! We shouldn't have done that! What was that? Let's go to our table. Wait! Where did our lunch go? I don't know, but someone clearly ate it. Oh no! A full table of scraps? Disgusting! Great! Now Adam thinks I'm a slob. Don't worry, we'll find the culprit. I came prepared. Look! This is glow-in-the-dark paint. Now we will definitely find the thief. He left so many traces. I think our lunch is somewhere close. The neon traces lead to Charlie. We found him, Julia! Enjoy your meal. Why are you eating our food? It wasn't me! Julia, he's denying it, but the evidence says otherwise. Hey, what do you want from my boyfriend? Looks like Charlie has a serious lawyer. His girlfriend. But he ate our food. My boyfriend is not guilty. Let's go, babe. Looks like we're going this way. Come quickly. What is it? This is the ladies' room. How dare they? Wow, they thought we were guys. So it worked great! We are the masters of disguise! Let's go! It's time! Oh, that smell! Don't they ever shower? Oh, I'm going to throw up! We need to act fast! Set the wire right here! I think no one will notice the small earpiece! Oh no! Someone's coming! Let's go, Kim! Nice game! I've never seen a fight like that! You're right, dude! It was a lot! We did it! Hurry up and turn it on! What do guys do in the locker room if not talk about girls? You wish! Come on, Adam! You're so strong! Look what I can do! I bet you can't do it! I'm confused! What are these sounds? Listen! This is nothing! Look what I got! You're right! This is awesome! Oh no! Is that what I think it is? Really? The contest for the loudest burp? Yeah, and not just that! What now, Kim? This is so gross! Listen! Ew! That's disgusting! Turn it off! I wish we never heard that! Julia decided to try conquering Adam. A love message! She's writing it with butter on toast. How romantic! Now he's definitely going to love her back. So, here he is. It's time to work. You need to leave him no choice. Everything is ready. Let's go! But there is always a choice. For example, share the last piece with the biggest nerd in class. Oh, I love toast! Thank you! Just need to toast it. Mmm, crunchy! Oh, there's a love confession. This must be from Julia. No, you're confused. Hey, don't get near me. It wasn't me. Let's go, Kim. Hurry. Oh, where are you going, sweetheart? Where is Kim? I'll have to leave her a note. Oh, they're passing notes again. Seriously? Well, what is it? Some kind of code. Oh, those girls! And here's Kim! A note! Apparently, this is from Julia. Oh, she really made it tricky. But I know what to do. Just add water. Now everything will be clear. Oh, I see! Julia made an appointment. Sorry, but I can't today. We'll have to do it another time. She must have already answered. Oh no, Kim! I was hoping you could make it. Looks like Adam is meeting someone. I wonder who he is waiting for.
Hey.
Kim? What a surprise! Adam has an important question. He's in love with a girl. No, not you. Julia? Wow, what a coincidence! She's your friend. Can you help me? Oh, I see. I thought something else was going on. Oh yes, there are a couple of tricks that will work for sure. Uh-oh, Kim and Adam, together! So that's why she couldn't meet me. And I trusted her! What are they talking about? I can't hear anything! But that's okay. Everything is going to be clear now. Cover the phone and leave a box of tissues on the table. Believe me, Adam, everything will be fine. Achoo! Oh, I have a cold.
Hey.
Ew! Here, take a napkin. Oh, thank you so much. Well, now I'll find out what they are talking about there. Oh, what is this? Tyler blowing his nose? Ew, disgusting! Oh, it's a good thing there are tissues. My runny nose is driving me crazy. The party is going great. This is so much fun. Kim is also here, but her parents won't be happy about it. The music is awesome. We can't miss it. But it looks like Julia isn't going to participate in the fun. Oh no! My dad is calling! What do I do? He thinks I'm in bed. Hey, bring everything here! A soft blanket, a pillow. Now wipe off the lipstick and get rid of all my accessories. Stop the music! Hi, Dad! Yes, I was just about to go to bed. It's so late. See you tomorrow, Dad. Bye! Everything is fine. Let's continue to party. Oh no! They are together again! Where is Julia? I have no idea. I haven't seen her all day. I don't know what to think either. Look, these are her glasses. She was here. Really? I don't understand. I'm sorry, dude. I didn't mean to. DJ Jules is up. The view is better from here. Oh, there's the sweet couple. Adam, look! There she is! Hi! Good to see you. Wait, where are you going? Hey, Julia! What are you doing there? Come out! We have something to tell you. No way, traitors! I won't give in so easily. Where is she? Look, Julia is there. Hurry up and follow her. What is all this for? Julia, can you hear us? Take this box off. I need to talk to you. Come on, Adam, a little more. Guys, help! Well, let's try again. Hi! I decided to take a little nap. Oh no! This was so stupid! Julia, I've been looking for you for so long! What? For me? Yes, I like you a lot. Do you think we can be together? Really? I can't believe it! I've been dreaming about this for so long! Aw, I'm so happy for you! Did you like our spy life hacks for college? Have you ever spied on someone? Write us a comment about it. And be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you don't miss new sketches about spies on Troom Troom Wow!